A common method used by mechanics to identify what's wrong with a vehicle is to scan it for error codes. Now, you may have seen a mechanic connect their handheld device or maybe even a computer using a code to some sort of port in your vehicle. That's likely what they were doing, connecting their scanning device to the computer's CPU, if you'd like, to get diagnostic information about potential issues that the vehicle may have. Now, even DIYers or regular people may find using one of these tools quite useful. For instance, perhaps you're going to purchase a car and you would like to perform a basic scan to see if there are any outstanding or immediate issues with the car that may not be clearly visible to the naked eye. In this video, however, we're going to look at how we can find the port in your vehicle or anyone else's vehicle to plug in your scanning device, as the port, or OBD port as it's sometimes called, can vary depending on the make or model of the car. The app we're going to use for this is called OBD, and it can be installed from the App Store, and I believe there is also an Android version that you can pick up from the Google Play Store. Once again, I'm going to use Air Server to cast the screen of my iOS device so you can see what it looks like. Okay, my iPad's screen should pop up in a few seconds. Okay, there it is. And here is the app. It's called OBD. Let's open the app. And all you'd simply need to do is identify the make and perhaps the year of the vehicle that you'd like to find the OBD port for and enter it into the app. So first, we start by choosing our vehicle. As you can see, the list is quite extensive. There's also a search menu at the top here. Let's say we wanted to find the location of an Audi. Yep, we could have used the search menu, or it's an Audi, or I like just using the existing list and selecting an option from there. So let's select Audi. Now you're asked to select the model and the year. As you see, there are a number of A1s, A3s, A4s, and the app helps you narrow down your options by selecting the appropriate year of the vehicle. So in most cases, if you know the make and the year of the vehicle, you should be good to go. However, if you don't, it shouldn't be a problem. You just select the different options and you have a look around. I'm going to select an Audi A4 after 2015. So that's the last version of Audi A4s in the app. Bit of promotion. Let's close that down. And at the bottom, we see here the OBD2 socket is located at the left of the pedals. Now, of course, we can see here this vehicle appears to be a left-hand drive. The rules should still apply if your vehicle is, right-hand drive. Just use, some common sense and look around the suggested location. There are also multiple photos of where the OBD port should be located. So if I slide left, we see here there is a red arrow pointing again to that location around the foot wheel or the pedals. Let's slide again and we should get a closer zoomed in shot of that location. So, this appears to be the pedals, and just on top we've got, a red circle identifying exactly where the OBD port is. Let's try another make. Let's try a BMW. I'm just going to randomly select Series 3, 1996 to 2000. Close the promotion, and again we see the red arrow pointing to the location, and there's also a text description at the bottom that says it's located on the left of the pedals again. We scan across. There's another zoomed up shot with an arrow. Scan again. even yet another shot, which seems much clearer. And there we can see in the red circle, the OBD2 port that we would need to use to connect whatever scanning device or scanning computer we had. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye for now.